Hello. In this video, I will teach you how to track or the conversion from Acuity Scheduling. So first, you need to do is you need to have this code. This one for Acuity. Next is for GTM or Google Tag Manager. So first, you need to go to the integration, and then find this one, custom event integration or custom conversion tracking. Click edit, and in my case I already paste the code, which is this one. Paste this code into your Acuity scheduling, then save and settings. After that, you need to go to your Google Tag Manager. So create a tags uh, using this code. So in my case, I already did that one. Rename it as iframe receiver. So this one, create a custom HTML tag, then paste the code. And then for the triggering is all pages. Just save it and rename it or whatever name you would like to have it. Then test this one. Click the preview and then connect, and this one. We need to try to book the appointment. Uh-huh. This one, test event, test, test at gmail.com, then test, then appointment confirm, then go to your tag assistance. If it is fired out, then it's fired, this one, the file receiver, and then you can see the name of the event here, which is the Acuity event. So in the next video, I will teach you how to make this event or track this event from your Google Ads. So stay tuned and comment down below if you want that one. Thank you.